Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to just do a quick tutorial on how to enable dark theme mode for Android Pie 9 and people who just recently got the new Google Pixel 3 or Google Pixel 3 XL. So let's get into it. Scroll down from the top. You're going to have a little settings icon. Click that. Brings you to this screen. You're looking for the display option, which is right there. Brings you up to another option. You're going to go to the advanced feature. Click on that and scroll down till you see device theme. Now mine's already set for dark, but you click that and you have different options. You have light and you have automatic based on what your wallpaper. Once you do that and you back out, guess what? You got dark theme mode. What does it look like? Well, here's the Google News feed. Scroll down, instead of this being white, it is now dark, which is cool. Supposed to save battery life a little bit is what Google's claiming. I'm not sure if it's true 100% or not, but that's what they're doing and that's what they're claiming. So that's what we're running with. Now, with that being said, now you know how to enable dark theme. What I have noticed, it is not 100%, because you would assume a dark theme would be for like everything on your phone. But if you remember back to where we just started it, when I scroll down and I click this setting, this is white. This is not dark theme. This is white. So I don't know if it's a glitch, if it's my phone. I have not found an option yet for that. The other problem is when I open up the assistant. See, the assistant is also white, not dark theme. So I'm not sure how to change that. But as far as your phone is concerned, dark theme mode, follow those steps I provided in the beginning, and you will be on your way to a dark theme experience. So, quick tutorial. Like I said, hope you needed it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like these videos, give me a like. If you like the channel, give me a subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.